All right, you guys, I'm just adding the notes to the bottom of our vocabulary. We are talking about the two times you do not add or subtract first. So normally when we're solving a two-step equation, we are going to generally get rid of anything not with the variable first. Well, there are two times where we are not going to add or subtract first. And that is when we have division by everything or multiplication by everything. And what they look like is division by everything is like 5x plus 3, where all of that is divided by, we'll say 2, equals 24. And then multiplication by everything is when we're kind of distributing, when we have that distribution going on. So we have something like 3x plus 5 equals 18. We're going to start with our division first. So because everything is being divided by 2, I could make those into fractions, but that just makes it real messy. Fractions make things messier. So what I'm going to end up doing is getting rid of this divide by 2 first. So I'm going to multiply by 2 on both sides. So that cancels out. So I'm left with 24 times 2 makes 48. And now I've got to bring down what's left, my 5x plus 3. 5x plus 3. I bring down everything I'm not using. Now I follow my normal rules. So I've got to get rid of this plus 3, saving my variable for last. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. 48 minus 3 gives me 45. Bring down my 5x. I want x by itself. So what's with my x? A 5. It's being multiplied, so I've got to divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So x equals 45 divided by 5 makes 9. If you were to plug this in, you have 5 times 9 plus 3 divided by 2. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 3 is 48, divided by 2 equals 24. So looking at this second problem, I could distribute this 3 first and bring it from the outside in, or I can just get rid of it first. Since right here, side by side, a 3 beside a parentheses, a number beside a parentheses means multiplication, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. I'm going to bring down my x plus 5 because I have not used them. I'm going to subtract, because it's a plus 5, both sides by 5. Leaving me with x equals 6 minus 5 is 1. If I plug this in, I get 3 times 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6 times 3 equals 18. So there are two times you don't add or subtract first as your first step, and that's when you have everything divided by a number, or I have everything multiplied by a number. So make sure that you are very careful when you're searching through your problems that you don't make the little mistake to try to get rid of this plus 3 first, because it's still with that 2. It's being divided by the 2, so we have to get rid of it. Hopefully this helps. I'll see you next time.